Yes, student, in the physical properties of carboxylic acid, we will discuss first one what? State and order. Okay. C1 to C3. Okay. Carbon or simply called carboxylic acids are liquid with acute and pungent smell. Pungent smell. Can you think about which one are these? Say formic acid, ethanoic acid and propanoic acid. These are called C12, C3 carbon. Are liquid in nature with acute and pungent smell. C4 to C9 are oily liquids with rancid butter like smell. Rancid butter like smell. While higher carboxylic acids are solid in nature. Why? It is because as the molar mass and the size increases, the van der Waals attraction force also increases, and therefore the carboxylic acid's physical state is also getting changed. I am not giving all this thing in writing. You do better understand by the previous content: alcohol, phenol, ether, haloalkane, haloene, many of the compound we have seen. So, what are the reason one here? What? Increase in molar mass and size. It increases what? The magnitude of van der Waals attraction force. Van der Waals attraction force, hence state changed. I am writing in short, okay? Hence state changed. Second one is, what the second one is? This is solubility. Solubility. Lower members are soluble in water. Soluble in water, like methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid. These are called what? Lower members. So these lower members are soluble in water, while higher members are insoluble, but are soluble in alcohol. What? Alcohols. Now, what are the reason of solubility? The reason of solubility is what? Formation of hydrogen bond. Formation of hydrogen bond with water. Student, there is hydrogen bond in water, there is hydrogen bond in carboxylic acid. So the both have similar hydrogen bond. So here the dissolve concept followed. That is, the carboxylic acid and the water can form similar type of hydrogen bond as they formed earlier in their pure form. It is between carboxylic acid and carboxylic acid there is a hydrogen bond. Between water and water there is a hydrogen bond. So if we mix carboxylic acid and water, a new hydrogen bond is getting formed, which is similar to the previous hydrogen bond. Therefore, here the dissolve concept apply. Dissolve concept apply. But student, as the molar mass increases, that is size of alkyl radical increases. Now you know that the alkyl radical are hydrophobic in nature. Therefore, the solubility decreases. So higher members are less soluble, and the more are size having hydrocarbon are even insoluble, but they are soluble in organic solvent, okay, like ether and alcohols. Okay. Third, which property we have to discuss? This is again very important thing. What? Boiling point. Boiling point. Okay. Student, boiling point of carboxylic acids are even higher. Even higher. Here you have to note down the point. This is very important for the discussion and comparison. Boiling point of carboxylic acids are even higher as compared to alcohols. As compared to alcohols. But remember, with what? Very important thing, similar molar mass. With similar molar mass. Why? Because if the molar mass will increase, the van der Waal attraction force will work there. Therefore, to avoid the van der Waal attraction force, we have to select such an alcohol whose molecular mass is approx equal to the boiling point or the molecular mass of carboxylic acid. Getting? Now, what is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? Actually, carboxylic acid like R, C double bond O, and this is O and this is H. This is one of the molecule. Getting? It can form hydrogen bond with another molecule of carboxylic acid. This is what? Second molecule. So now there is what? Fraction negative charge. There is fraction positive charge. Again there is fraction positive charge and there is fraction negative charge. So now what? The strong hydrogen bond is getting formed between the two molecules. That means what? The formation of dimer takes place. Formation of dimer takes place. And now the formation of dimer takes place. Dimer means what? Two molecules becomes now one. This is called dimer, or the process is known as dimerization. Due to this dimerization, the two molecules attracted very strongly with each other. Therefore, to break down the hydrogen bond intermolecular attraction force, it requires very high temperature. Therefore, the boiling point of carboxylic acids are even higher as compared to alcohol. But remember one thing, with the similar or approx same molecular mass having alcohols. Okay? So you have to give the reason they form dimer while alcohol are unable to form dimer. Are you getting? This is due to their specific structure. This is called a very specific structure. Okay. As molar mass and size of carboxylic acid increases. Carboxylic acid increases, boiling point also increases. Boiling point also increases. Now, can you give what are the reason of it? The reason is due to increase in what? Van der Waal attraction force. That is, along with hydrogen bond, one more attraction force will work. What? Van der Waal attraction force. You know that Van der Waal attraction force is applicable for size and molar mass attraction force, and therefore boiling point usually increases. Yes.